Hello and welcome to Crafted by Christine. Today we're going to be doing a DIY two-tone braided jute ornament. I found this one at the Pottery Barn website and they were selling the set for $100. My DIY price, $3 each. For this project, we will need an ornament. I am using an old ornament because I have a ton of those to work with. We will also be using a nautical rope, which I believe the one from the Dollar Tree has 200 inches and you only need 100 inches for one ornament. You also need a twine rope. I made this one myself, but they also have them at Dollar Tree. I made this one with regular twine and braided it. We will also need a glue gun and some glue sticks. This one is a high temp glue gun and some scissors. So this is where it gets tricky. The nautical rope will have to end right here, so we're gonna cut it right there, and then the twine will end at the side of the nautical rope. This ornament is so easy to make, minimal, and just beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.